about a sign that I was reading earlier regarding injured wildlife around this boat ramp. It's something to keep in mind and obviously be aware of. Once again, we say it all the time, put your rubbish in the bin. But the fact that the council have gone and made signs about it means it's an issue. Okay. Pelicans are regularly injured in this location. Okay, so we've got the number there, 02-662-4789. If you see an injured pelican or wildlife around here, give that number a call. Thought we better throw that in here, that's important, that stuff. For our viewers that want to know, that are traveling, want to know about the taps